One day, Thomas was almost done shunting in the yard. He put some trucks in a siding when he noticed a crane with a flat bed. His driver told him that the crane was for when a train came off the rails and needed to be put back. Thomas was about to leave when an engine came rushing through much too fast. It was a new one named James, and he had wooden brakes. "Poor James," exclaimed Thomas, "I hope he isn't hurt." Suddenly, an alarm started to ring. And the signalman yelled,
"A train has come off the rails. The breakdown train. Quickly, quickly."
Thomas jumped into action and coupled up to the breakdown train. "Hurry, hurry," he called sincerely. "Bother those trucks, I hope James is all right." Meanwhile, James's driver and fireman were feeling him all over to see if he was all right. "Never mind, James," said his driver, "it was your wooden brakes and those troublesome trucks that caused the incident." Soon, Thomas arrived, taking away the unhurt trucks as the breakdown train lifted up the derailed ones. The time came to lift James back onto the rails, as Thomas watched in amazement. When James was back on the rails, he couldn't move, no matter how hard he tried. Thomas ended up taking James back to the shed, meeting Sir Topham Hatt on his way there. The Fat Controller was so pleased that he gave Thomas his own branch line. And that's how Thomas became the #1 engine.